Ahoy everyone, welcome back or welcome to Pirate Sparrow Slots. Recently, Aristocrat Gaming released the 10-year Lightning Storm, and I'm about to find out Wild Cougar style. I am surrounded by cougars. Wild Cougar, Corona Cougar, cougars and a pirate. What could possibly go wrong? This is going to be my first attempt ever on the brand new 10-year Lightning Storm, and you already know I love Aristocrat. I love Corona Cougar. So, with Wild Cougars, we're set to have a good time. Follow me inside WinStar World Casino and Resort, and I'll show you what happened on Aristocrat's 10-year storm. Wild Cougar style, let's go. Hey everybody, Pirate Sparrow Slots along with today we've got Lucky Chance, we're gonna need it. We have got the one and only gorgeous Corona Cougar, she's looking good, and her relative Wild Cougar is here. We are gonna find out who is the stronger cougar. Is it Corona or is it Wild? Are you Wild, Corona? I think you can be. Yeah, she's wild too. We're gonna pit you guys against each other and see if we can get something to go on. Guys, this is the brand new Lightning 10-year Storm by Aristocrat. You know how I feel about Aristocrat. I love them. We have 130 free play in that tank. I want to see what some of these look. Oh, hello. We got to move that. All right, 2 cents. It looks like the miner's 100 on 2 cents. We're going to figure this out. 250 on a nickel. And we have 25 lines or 50. You know what? Free play in the tank. Let's start right there. I like the volume. We need 6 of these and we get a bonus. Not sure what the wild is yet. We'll figure that out in a minute. Up to 250. We're going to test it out. Oh, fishy. Wow. That is Corona right there. She's wild. Looky there. Okay, so we got a hit on that. Right now we are only playing 25 lines. Hello. I like that. I like that. We are just warming up the free play. $4. Okay. That one's $3.75. Now another cool thing about this game, it has the same kind of must-go feature before 1888 there on the same as Buffalo Link. I think what they've done with the 10-year storm, I think they've combined a lot of the links together. We have shades of Lightning Link, we have shades of Buffalo Link, we have shades of Dollar Storm. This is cool. This is really cool to celebrate 10 years of Aristocrat. Come on, 3 more. We did it! Lucky Chance! I'm going to put it on free play! Alright, let's go. Are you ready? Yeah. That may be the loudest game I've ever heard. Alright, we're going to go down a little. Yeah. 1 more. There we go. We don't want to kill Corona's ears. Bring them on. These are nickels. Oh, just fill it up. We'll take 14,000. Fill it up. 1 more. Do it. Oh, save it. Save it. Yes. The ship was saved. Let's go. Lightning Storm. 1 more. Yes. Look at that. Let's go. Yes. All right. We only need to fill 3 more to win the grand. That would be something. What a way to get back to WinStar. Speaking of, I forgot to tell you, we are at WinStar, the world's largest casino. All right, we got 12 of them. Let's see what we won. What did we win? $3.75, $7.50. Let's go. Not bad. First bonus on the new Lightning Storm. 10 years. Wow. 10 years of Aristocrat. All right, thumbs up on the video, everybody. Leave a comment. Not bad. Set our first 75 and on free. Well, that's pretty. And on free play. Okay. And with the least amount of lines. That's crazy. Okay, this one's 6 1/4. Whoa, look at all of them. Wow. I think Wild Cougar was the ticket. I'm telling you, $10 bill. Now let's hop up to 50. 50 lines. Oh, 2 more. Aww. You could have done that. All right, so $5. Oh, Cougar's here. She's here. All of our cougars in one place, under one roof. $32. Girl, that was solid.
Good job.
Oh, that mini would have been worth $50 there. Okay, so you know what? Let's go to the dime. Our minor is 500. Let's try 25 lines to start like we did. That's $250 a spin. Nothing too serious right now. 2. And let's pop it up. $5 here. There's your counter. Ooh. Wow. Okay, $12.40. Now we're gonna go to the 50 line. $5. $10 spin. It's wild. There's some bears. Okay. Let's just keep pushing our luck. See what we got here. $8.75. Let's try, okay, 15 lines. Going way down there. Okay, 4. And here, $7.50. Got some eagles and some jacks. $5 bill. It would be fun to get one on there. All right, let's try the dollar and see where we start. There's 5 lines at $5 or 10 lines, and that is $10. Let's try that. Oh my God, thumbs up, we did it. Lucky Chance is here, upside down even. Okay, so we have quite a bit on the board. Everybody pray for a lot of drops. Let's go. Are you ready? All right. Corona's ready. Wild Cougar, are you ready? Let's go. Come on. Drop them. Hey. Save it. Oh, a double mini. We just got $500. $500. Oh my God. I like dollars, I do. Okay, drop me something else, please. Save it. Yes, saved. Saved. Do it again. Do it again. Yes. $10. I love you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's over. It's so good. So good. Holy crap. On free play. I don't even need this backup right now. I'm prepared. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine? I think I like Lightning Storm. Bum, 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 bum.
For you.
Yay! All right, guys, thumbs up on the video. WinStar World Casino and Resort. And look at that. Casino 360. Going round and round. This really looks good in here, too. I like it. Bum, 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 bum. First time on dollars. Wasn't that fun? I think I went with the 10 lines, didn't I? 660. What a play that is. That is crazy, guys. Hope you're enjoying the video. We're enjoying bringing it to you. Minors here are 12. Let's look at the treasure chest. Minors are $12.50. Your minis are $2.50 each. The major's not bad. And there's that grand.
There you go.
The dream. Let's hit that. And there it is. The Lightning Storm. Wild Cougar bringing it in today.
I'm telling you.
We have to take a backup. What if there was a back-to-back? Yeah, we had to. All right. You know what? Let's see where that one starts. I think it starts at 10. So we'll take a couple. Why not? 10 cents. And we're going to calm it down a little bit. $5 while we are up. I don't mind the counter on that either. They can go anywhere, so don't let those counters bother you. Wild Cougar, $3. Let's go back to our nickel. Yeah, these are the loudest games I've ever heard in my life. Oh, I'm telling you. Oh, she got one good. Awesome. Okay, we're going to go to the 25 lines and try 375. That would have been cool. Okay. 6 1/4. 750 there. Okay. 250. 475. Three of them. Stair stepping up. What? Oh, we got the feature. It's the coyote. Oh! Are we having fun yet? Corona Cougar? Bringing all the cougar luck. Okay, give us something.
Come on.
You can also get the feature and a feature on it. Come on. 1480 so far. Come on. And final lucky spin? No. Alright, well, it's a little one. We got $16. And that was the bonus feature. Okay, so we did get that. Let's go on up. 750. 1250 here. That poor cougar hadn't had its coffee this morning. Alright, birds. Let's go back to dime. You know what? Let's go back to dollar. That sounds more exciting. 5, why not? $10 spin. Okay. Still on that free play. 25 cents. Let's go there. 6 1/4. We missed that coyote by 1. Okay. Dimes. $4.40. What do you think of the cougar? Alright. Come on, dimes. I think people are going to love these games. Very much fun. Okay, let's try the 2 cents. $2 spin. Oh, look at that counter. Try 4. Okay. Oh. Teasing around. Ah! Bonus time. All right, we got a coyote. Still on that free play. Come on, give us the feature and the feature. 6 of those. It's a fine looking cougar. They only feed him the best here in 360. That cougar's hungry. Hungry. Let's go. Got the bear. 6 of you guys. Nope. Being stingy with those balls now. Oh, retrace! Trigger! Re-trigger! Oh! Call of the Wild.
Wow.
Wild Cougar. Alright, let's go. What else you got? I was gonna think it did it again. Wow, almost. Alright. Hey, you messing around. On my dime. Let's go. 1332. Alright, not bad. See if we can get a hold and spin feature. We would like one. That was fun.
It is fun.
Okay, 4. That counter's pretty good. Take one there. Okay. Ooh. Hello, bear. Hello, bear. See what you got to offer here. All right, 520. Okay. Oh, almost. We almost had it. Oh, leaping fish. It's dinner time for the cougar. Now, is this actually Wild Cougar, or is this like a food chain game?
Yeah, for real.
I'm beginning to think it's the cougar's dinner. They lied to us. Oh boy. It seems to me that they used a lot of similarity of the buffalo game in this one. But all the links are coming out for a party. Leaping fish. Oh, hello. We have $60 on that triple mini. Triple mini. 2 cents and off. Now we're into the fun stuff. Come on. Thank you. Let's go. Yes. Fill them all up. Let's go. We have a $5.91 major. Let's go. All right, save it here. Electricity. All right. Keep them coming. How about a minor? Let's go. Come on. Save it. Aw, 13, not bad. Not bad.
Not bad.
Lucky chance, reminding you to stick that thumb up on the video. Not bad. 2 cents here. Okay. Keep it coming. All right, 144. That's not bad. What was our bet? $4. Very good. We're just gonna set this in here until we might need it.
You might not even have to touch it.
We might not have to touch it. Always come prepared. Always come prepared. You don't want that fun to end the minute you sit down. This game is pretty wicked. I like it. It had to be because it was named after you. Aristocrat made you a game. I'll tell you what, she's only been at this a little short time and she's got her own game. Wild Cougar. I'm so proud of you. You're amazing. And thank you for letting me film it. This is so epic. I'm loving today. I think Gary started us off on a good day.
Sure did.
Triple mini, everybody. When you're done setting that to win the grand, I'd like you to set mine. Gotta have some fun. You got to. All right, as you can hear in my voice, I was so excited. First of all, I love hanging out with Corona Cougar, and anytime I get to be with her is a great day. Secondly, I had not been to WinStar in so very long, and I missed so many people. I miss all my friends there. I miss the excitement. I miss 360. And as you know, ever since my husband died, I have not made it to WinStar on my own because I don't drive the interstate yet, and I am so thankful to Corona Cougar for not only being a part of my videos, but for taking me. Now, as you can see, I started with 130 free play, hit bonus after bonus, and couldn't quit laughing, couldn't quit having fun. I love this game. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I can't wait to show you more of our day together. So come back, check us again, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. We love bringing all the fun to you, and we love having you here for the ride. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon.